oído. Y en la jura de bandera del muchacho.
I hope you boys are doing well. Christian, that is the funniest fucking thing I've heard all day. And I woke up, I'm not joking, probably about 30 seconds ago. Before I was able to conjure a conscious thought of weakness, of laziness, I figured might as well just press record. This is why I am lacking pants right now. But this is a small sacrifice that must be made for greatness. Holy shit, I'm tired. Genuinely. I am so tired right now. Oh my god, that scared the piss out of me. Yeah, we're learning Python today, boys. We might need a small, we already got the caffeine going. Got 150 or 160 milli vanillis going down the hatch. It'll help us wake up. For I am not joking, I woke up within the last 4 minutes. I'm so tired. Words don't describe. I'm still in my dream state, But we shall persist, ladies and gentlemen. We shall persist. Right. Come on, lisp. What? What does that mean? Okay. The fit of the day. Arctic on top, Miami on the bottom. Divine. Well said, my friend. Well said. The savior of the times has appeared. The successor of Jesus. That's a lot to ask for. Seek for Allah. I'm not gonna read that one. I can't. Oh. No, I can't read that. All right. Aura. I'm glad you think that's aura. I'm so glad you think that's aura. Yeah. Okay. The American cannot be stopped. You're goddamn right I can't be. Time for me to get up to, bro. Hey, Christian. I'm looking forward to your live stream, dude. I'm looking forward to your live stream because every single time you go live, you make me. Most of the time I'm at work, which sucks ass. But dude, every time you go live, I'm like, damn, bro. I wish I could be going live right now. So you go get up and you go start your day and you have a good one. You have a divine Rest of your morning, my friend. Just joined, brother. I like your vid. I like you, bruh. I like you, bruh. Oh, what's up, my boy? I hope you're doing well as always. Oh, you can't see it. You can't. My fat face is in the way. I hope you're doing well as too, my friend. I hope you're doing really swell. I'm sorry if it is late for you boys. I am waking up a little late, as you can tell. But that's enough chit chat. Huh? Enough chit chat. There's only one thing that must be done. There's only one thing that must be done from this point on. And of course, I can only be referring to Python. Okay. Python, boys, Python. Okay, you see this, right? This landing page, right? Here's the thing, right? Here's what we need to do. Python is great, and I'm looking forward to being able to program this thing. But I came to the conclusion the other day. I'm like, okay, right? Because most of you guys that have been here, you know that the reason why we're learning Python is to put this guy, an actuator, or an ESC, kinda, not really, but kinda, the driver board, onto this guy, this giant motor, right? Put it onto here. Most of you guys know that this thing takes Python. But here's the problem. The PID controller, or the proportional integral derivative controller, the thing that does black magic. Yes, that's actually black magic. That's all going to be on here. All of it. This is an Arduino Mega. Most of you guys know that as well. That requires C++. So I'm wondering, at what point do I just slug the hard one and just go with C++? I don't know, but I'm thinking too much, and it's too early in the morning. We're not allowed to have conscious thoughts this early in the morning, otherwise we'll be depressed, thinking about why I'm not a billionaire yet. Okay, boys, what's a fire song? Let's go like this, yeah? Just give me a moment, boys. You give me a moment. Ooh, Metamorphosis, that's a good one. We're gonna listen to some. Well, no, we're not. No, we're not. Okay. We just need something chill. You know what I'm saying? Preferably copyright free. None of these are copyright free. Fuck. That's okay. We're just gonna do Deep Kelp Forest because it's chilling and there we go. I hope that's chill. I hope that's chill enough for the billings. Chill for the bill. Let's write this. Hold up. Whatever you do, don't clip what you're about to see, but I do gotta take off my shirt. Don't clip it. What's going on? I'm getting naked. I mean, kinda. A little bit. Don't clip this. You can't see me, right? I don't think you can see me. I hope not. I'm not actually getting naked, but close to. I need a shirt. At least for this morning. I'll be right back. I need deodorant. I just smell like shit. Where'd my headphones go? Oh. Oh. Divine as always. Look, I almost look like I'm wearing pants right now. You know what I'm saying? Like it's making that illusion as though pants are being worn. It's not the case, but right, Lisp, not Python. No, because I don't know what Lisp is, and I am not cognitive. I'm not cognizant enough to dive into that quite this morning. Yeah, I hope you boys are doing fine. I hope you guys are doing swell on this morning. Thank you, boys, for joining us. I appreciate you all. I appreciate you. Come here. Come here. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. You tickle my pickle, you know that? You tickle my pickle. True. True. Alright, let's get back to it. Okay. Oh, what's up, my boy? Ready? Ready, my buddy? I hope you're having a swell evening. Okay. I need to turn this down in my headphones. Holy motherfucker, I am so tired. Words don't quite describe. Okay, what we need to do next. Yeah. IDE. Let's go like this. Where the fuck is it? PyCharm. Did you get the fix? Oh, no. Unfortunately not. Because the universe hates me. And yeah. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is the grade thing that you recommended, I think. I think at least. Yeah. Wow, it feels like that was a decade ago, but that was like not even 3 days ago. Hey, what's up, my man? I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing swell. I hope you are doing swell, my boy. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay. IDE is right here, but it's like in a weird spot. That's what. Okay. God damn, dude. Okay. Note to self, boys. Note to self. If you are waking up, give yourself about more than 30 seconds before you hit record. About 30 seconds before you try to use any cognizant ability. It is not going too well for me. I am so tired. Words are failing me. What's up, my guys? What's up, my guys? We got all the OGs in here. We got all the OGs a pile in, and dude, I hope you guys are having a swell time, swell afternoon, swell morning, swell middle of the night, 2 a.m. I hope whatever time it may be, it's swell, and it is providing you with a great leisure. Yo, what's up, my favorite human? I'm your favorite. There's 8.2 billion humans on this planet, and I'm your favorite. You making me blush. You making me blush. Thank you. You making me blush. Out of 8.2 billion, I'm your favorite. Oh. Stop it. You're making me blush. Okay, boys. Let's get back into this. Yo, how's that learning Python going, man? Learning Python's going pretty good. It's we haven't done it in like 3 days, I think. About 3 days, because let me, where the fuck is bookmarks? We haven't done it in about 3 days because we were trying to build a robot arm. I'm gonna be doing that in my free time now, because let's leave it at that. Yeah. Yo, I have one question. What is your one question, brother? What is your one question? Oh, my boy. Hey, I hope you're having a swell time. I hope you all having a swell time. Damn, we got all the OGs piling in here, bro. Middle of the night here. Dude, that's crazy. It's so strange that like most of my audience is in India and around the planet. Like on that hemisphere of the planet, where I'm the exact opposite of most of you guys. Why are you learning Python instead of C++? We did just talk about that, actually. We did just talk about that. The reason why is because if we want to control this bad boy, we need to have this. And this is a driver board. It takes Python. But we literally just got done talking about that. We're like, why aren't we learning Python or C++ first for the Arduino? It's a very good question. We just asked ourselves that, but we realized it's too early right now to be asking such deep questions that require multiple hours of our time. You know what I'm saying? Too early. I woke up like minutes ago. Okay, boys. A list comparison, sort list. We've done this, copy, join. I think we're at join lists. Right? Are we at join lists? I don't know. Hey, boys. If you're just joining, it would mean a lot to me if you consider. There's a little little thumbs up button. I realize now, I've never asked you to like the video, but I realize that that's good for algorithms. So what I need you to do is do a thumbs down, okay? I need everyone to dislike this video right now. Everyone dislike the video, okay? I can see it in live time. I need you to dislike this video right now. Go dislike this video, and then come back here, okay? All right. Thank you for going and disliking the video. If this is a satisfying video where you get some out of it, then you can switch that over to a thumbs up. But for now, I've not earned it. Okay. Let's go like this. Sort list. No, I think we already done sorting lists. Yeah, sort key. Let's just try this. We're gonna try this little thing right here, yeah? Why is your camera like a microscope? Ooh. Because we got a new camera. We have got a new camera. And it can zoom now. It can zoom, which is pretty sick. I like being able to zoom. My other camera's not capable of such tasks. I just noticed you're on Opera GX. Oh, no, I wish I was on Opera GX, my boy. We are most certainly not. Google. I wish I was on Opera GX. And a lot of people think that I'm on Linux. I wish I was on Linux. Only intellects are on Linux. I am not there yet. We're not intellects yet. Yet. Keyword on the yet part. We'll get there though. Someday. Okay. Where the fuck were we? Yeah. Let's go like this. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this real quick, yeah? We're gonna try this. Linux is hell. Oh, it's hell, but guess what? Only the intellects use Linux. Only the most intellectual people use Linux. It's hell, of course, but that's why only intellect use it. You know, it's in the name. It's Linux, intellect. You see how that works? Like, Linux basically just means intellect. All right, boys. We're gonna try this. If I fail it miserably, then we're just gonna proceed. We're not gonna get stuck on this. Okay. What is the correct syntax for sorting this list? My list order by no, yes. Please be right. Okay, thank God. Do you want to take the test again? Yes, we do. Okay. What is the correct syntax for sorting a list? Yeah, we just did this one, right? Yeah. Look at that. I'm a fucking genius. Okay, reverse equals true is something that you would place on a separate line. You wouldn't want to do that right here. That would... No. But right here, yeah, that's good. Of course it's correct. Linux is easy and fun. See, that's why you're an intellect. This is why you're an intellect, my friend. This is why you're an intellect. You say, oh, Linux is easy and fun. This is why you're an intellect. I would say it's torturous and exhausting. But you say it's easy and fun. This is why you're an intellect. You know what I'm saying, sir? Intellects. I like your eyebrow. I like you. Mwah. Oh, I appreciate your comment, though, by the way. I appreciate all you guys, bro. Oh, wait. The other package manager, which literally makes life easier. I don't know what package manager is quite yet, but I'm sure someday I will learn what that is. That is not today. Okay. What is the correct syntax for sorting a descending... What? Oh, it's descending. Okay, I think it's this. Because this, separate line, this... Okay, if it's not this, it's this. And if it's this, I'm going to put a bullet in my skull. Quite simply, because there's no way that it's this. Let's do this, yeah. Please God, 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 please. That didn't happen. What's our first try? Oh, what is this question? New question? What is the correct syntax for sorting and descending list? Oh, I don't know. It's probably not this one. It's definitely not that one because it's definitely not that one. It's definitely not. I can just tell. You know, I can just tell it's not that one. It could be one of these two though. Shit. Reverse equals true. So this is not how you do that. So it has to be descent. What? Alright, if you spend that long on drivers, just ask ChatGPT on this point. On drivers, yeah. No, that's the thing. We're learning Python. You know what I'm saying, my friend? We are learning Python from the ground up. So that we know how to. And trust me, I have days of logged conversations with ChatGPT on how to use a driver board. Days. Upon days, upon days, upon days, and I'm not exaggerating. I've wasted more water on ChatGPT trying to figure out how the fuck to use this thing than I've drank it in my life, and that's not an exaggeration. It's not an exaggeration. Yeah, the first one, right? You'd think the first one. Now create a recursive solution to solve the Tower of Henar. Dude, exactly. See, you are on the right. You're on the right wavelength, my friend. You are on the right wavelength. Let's see. Also, trust me, Jacob. List sorting really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, but it's good to know how to do it. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those things where it doesn't matter, but it's good to know how to do it because. You know what I'm saying. Let's see. First one. That's what I thought too. The first one. But of course it's not the first one. Of course it's not the first one because we knew that because of course this is our first time guessing on this. Reverse. Wait, my list. So we're thought. God damn! It's the fact that I don't know. I thought it was this one. It's not this one. Let's try it. Okay. Here's the thing. I think it's this one, but because I think that it's this one. It's most certainly this one. Well, we knew the whole time that it was that one. Holy shit. Holy shit. We got a 0% on that. You said no, you said second. You said second. I misinput on my part. Misinput. You said the second one. You said the second one. Yeah, misinput on my part. I just didn't read correctly. That's my bad. Okay. Let's get back to this. Okay. Yeah, next question. Oh, we're done. Of course we're done because of course we're done. Okay. I need some caffeine. Divine. Okay. Let's see. Dude, you did tell me. You fucking did tell me. I should have listened to you, bro. See, look. I should have listened to you. My sorrows would have been less if I just listened to you. That's on me. My dumbass. I was never really a gaming platform. I was never really a gaming platform a long way and is doing way better now and can even outperform Windows on some platforms and some games. What? Okay, my friend, repeat this exact comment in about 10 minutes. I woke up 10 minutes ago. Maybe a little bit longer. Maybe 12 minutes ago I woke up. So I'm going to need you to repeat that comment in 12 minutes. Alright? Alright? Can you do that for me? My counting just not good, trust me. No, dude, it's my bad. My bad. That's on me. I just look at that. That clearly says the second one. You know what I'm saying? Like I should have interpreted correctly. You know, I should have interpreted. Extended final Elden Rings. I'm not really an Elden Rings guy. See, Elden Ring seems dope though. Don't get me wrong. Okay. Don't really know about these games, and it's probably because of NVIDIA drivers. But if it happens, just dual boot. Oh, you're talking about Windows shit. Okay, Linux, yeah. Dude, yeah, no, apparently, having an RTX 50 trillion isn't the best for, what do you call it? What is it called? Um, what is it called? Linux. That's the one. That's the word I'm trying to look for. Yeah, look at that. You can see it spicy back there. Not this glowing thing. It puts that X. Oh my god, it's so sexy. Oh my god, it turns me on. Uh, look at that. Uh, yes, by the way, it's in a microwave for those of you that don't know. Yes, this is a fan blowing into the microwave. Yeah, it's peak. I know. I know it's peak. You don't have to tell me, but you can tell me if you want. Yeah, it's peak. Yes, this is what we call optimal airflow. Okay, blowing in one way, goes around there, spins out, and it comes right out to you. It's called optimal performance. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, boys. Okay. Let's get back to this, huh? Caffeine. Okay, boys. Can you tell me the point so those still don't understand? What good about compiling from source if you can't get permanent? Oh, you're talking to someone else. Okay, my headphones just died. Shit. Well, no more headphones. How you doing, baby? How you doing, baby? All right, let's go like this. Okay, let's continue with the next exercise. Okay, I need at least to wear the headphones, even if they're dead. Let's see, boys. Bro, I laughed so hard after a long time, dude. Just subbed. Really? You just subbed? You didn't have to, man. You didn't have to subscribe, man. You know what we need to do, boys? You know what we need to do? We need to update that board. We need to update that board right now. That's what we need to do. Let's go update that board, huh? Huh? Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, boys, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate you for subscribing, for being here. For everyone that's been here new, or everyone that's here new, we're just building robot arms. That's what we're trying to do. But we're learning Python before we get to there because it's kind of hard to build something if you don't know how to program it. So, thank you for subscribing, my man. It means a lot. It means the world. And for those of you that have been subscribed, untold things I'm going to do to you tonight. Untold things I'm going to do to you. Okay? I'm gonna do the most devious things to you. Okay? Join the Discord too, my friend. My fat face is in the way currently, but it is right here. You should join the Discord. If you have projects and you have a big schlong, join that Discord. Okay? Join that Discord, my boy. Okay, let's click. Where is this? Manage videos. Let's see how many subby mobubbies we got. That's wild. Let's go like this. That's wild, boys. You guys have been busy. Look at that. Huh? 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 Oh, boys. Take a look at my ass. Where's the marker? Oh, here it is. Look at that. Does that match this number that's up here? No. Wait. Thank you, boys, for subscribing. It means a lot to me. It does. It means a lot to me, boy. There we go. That's what we're talking about, boys. That's what we're talking about, yeah? I appreciate you, boys. You didn't have to do that, but I appreciate you, boys. Thank you, boys. Okay, boys, let's get back to Python. Yes, yeah, we're gonna do C++. Don't you worry, my friend. Don't you worry, my friend. We're gonna get. Oh well, we're gonna get there someday. Okay. We've done C++ in the past. It's just, let's just say we fell off hard. We fell off the wagon hard. Real hard. Okay. Dude, massive W. That's what I'm talking about. Massive W. That's like this. This. Where are we at? This is where we're at. Yeah. Wait. So this. Okay. Let's go. We're going to do our next thing. All right. Hold on. Have you done this? Copy, sort. Okay. Now this one is going to be move to alt. As always, my friend, you are saving me from my heinous crimes. As always. Look at this. I would have probably not seen a million chats this morning. Dude. Thank you. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. Oh, you joined the Discord as well? Oh, dude, he's spoiling us today. I appreciate you, bro. Wet, slobbery kisses for you. Mwah. Mwah. Wet, slobbery kisses. Just for you. Okay. Let's get back into shenanigans. Yeah? This camera is... The camera... What is it called? Tripod? It's acting up. We broke our light, so there's no light. We have to spend $1 million on lights. Yeah, I do coding. I work in IT, and as a bug bounty, so I have written a few custom scripts. Massive W, my boy. You got mental health issues. Can you show me vibe code in app in an hour of time? What the fuck are you saying, my boy? Can someone interpret what man is saying? Let's see. This is his first things. Okay. Can you show me how vibe code an app in an hour of time? I think he's saying, should we vibe code? No. You boys know what we do to vibe coders around here? We shame them! We put them in their place! Come here. Let's get something straight. If you're an intellect and you know how to program, be my guest. You go vibe code. You go use your little AI companion, and you go vibe code. But if you're just learning, if you are trying to get the grasp upon vibe coding, upon coding in general, well then, we don't vibe code. Okay? I think you get what I'm saying, my boy. I think you know where I'm coming from. No hard feelings, my boy. You know what I'm saying. We do shame vibe coders around here. We do shame. But it's okay. You can learn from your mistakes. My friend. That's what you're going to do. You're going to learn. As are we. That's why we're not vibe coding. It's because if you're just vibe coding, you can't learn. Okay? But if you learn and then vibe code, that's a nice spot to be in. That's a good spot to be in. I agree. That's a good spot to be in. Let's see. Love you, sexy beast. You're making me blush. Our boy has subscribed. We have threatened him into subscribing. Let's change that right now. All right. And then we're going to get back to programming, all right? Where's the marker? There's a marker. Oh, I found it. Massive W, bro. Massive W. Let's get back into programming, shall we? Yeah. Programming, shall we? Okay, boys. We have done enough pooping and shooting around. Let's get back into programming, learning how to program. I should specify for those of you that are new, we are learning to program because we are trying to build a big ass bomba clot robot arm with an Arduino Mega and a maker-based driver board, giant robot arm actuators. Ah! This fucking wire just lodged itself balls deep into my eye socket. Holy shit, that felt great. Ah, holy fuck. Wow. Always keeping you on edge, you know? Always keeping you on edge. Okay. God, this chat is going off. I'm like not able to read it all. Vibe coding is using AI to code. Yes, but vibe coding is not really helpful as you don't learn. It's said very well. Anything, and AI can't make high secure and can make high security risks. Said very well. Said very well. This is why we're not doing vibe coding yet. Maybe someday, if you're an expert in what you do, and vibe coding increases your workflow or increases what you're able to do, then dope. But right now we don't know how to program. So if if our AI fucks up, we can't fix it. This is why we're not vibe coding right now. But maybe one day we might utilize a resource because a lot of people's workflows are increased from it. But that's not something we're concerned about right now. How do you earn? What stuff do you do? I work a 9-to-5 job, unfortunately. But if you would consider the devious notion of subscribing to this channel right now, we would be just that much closer to not having to go to my 9-to-5 job in about 2 hours. No. Yeah, 2 hours. You subscribing would get us that much closer. Genuinely. So I appreciate it for everyone that already has subscribed this morning. It means a lot to me. We do need to get to subscribing, but I want to read chat. It seems so good. Fuck it. I'm going to read a little bit of chat. Why not? Okay. Yeah, I appreciate you, boys. Thank you for subscribing. If you have, we're just learning Python to make robot arm. That is what we're doing. Let's see. Bro, let's do homework. Teaser thing. What? We don't vibe code. We code for vibes. That is being put up on the board. That is divine. That's divine, my friend. What a divine comment. What a divine comment. We don't vibe code. We vibe for codes. That's divine. We're keeping this. One moment, boys. Going to Canva real quick. As you do. Going right over here. We're going to go right here. We're going to go to projects. No, create. You want to do YouTube thumbnail? No, it's actually YouTube banner. Actually, we can go like this. Where was it? It was a long while ago. Projects. There we are. This is our current banner, YouTube banner, if you don't know. Also like this. You have been added to the board of fortune, my friend. Okay. Oh, what is happening? Oh, I probably know what's happening. Okay. Let's go like this. We're gonna fix this a little later, but we just must add. Oh, wait. I need to take a screenshot of it. Where is it? Where do you comment? Where's chat? Chat. He must be added to the thing of. Oh my God, dear Lord. Where's chat? Let's go like this. Alt. Wait. Alt G. Right. Control G. Okay, we're gonna get this. We're gonna add you to the banner. All right. We're adding you to the banner. Don't you worry. We're gonna add you to the banner. We can't do that right now because it's gonna be a hassle. But you are being added to the banner. It is official. That was 2 OG of an OG chat. Okay. A tiny bit more. and then of chat, and then we'll get to programming. I promise. We'll get to programming very shortly. Vibe coding is the future. What an exquisite comment. What an exquisite comment. Am I tripping? No, I think someone's on my door. That's okay. Learn from mistakes. Be exactly. We don't want to. Should I bully? Wait. We don't shame them. We bully them so they stop. Exactly. Said well, my friend. Said well. Hoorah, hoorah, brother. That's what I'm fucking talking about. Hoorah. Oh my god. What? Okay. I'm sorry. We had hooligans. We had hooligans at my door. You've told them off, though. You have told them off. Let's see. Vibe code if good. If you know how to code really well, exactly well. Like know how to code, give you a pass. Vibe code. It said well, yeah. Linus vibe code 2. Yeah. You see. Once again, you see how Linus created Linux? The backbone of modern society. He's earned his right to vibe code. He has earned his right. Yeah. Oh. That just broke. Yeah, no, he's earned his right to vibe code because he is an intellect beyond all comprehension. Yeah, no, he right. He does vibe code, but it's because he can. Because he's good. What bug do many? I have no idea. No idea. Does he? Okay. Okay. We're gonna read like 2 more comments, and then I need to get back to fucking coding now. What? What is? Oh, it's right here. I think a good starting goal is to learn how to program. Is to be able to reverse and binary tree without any AI. Okay, using internet only to look up official documents, not the full solution. That's a good way of doing that. That's a good way of doing it, my friend. That's a real good way of doing that. That's yeah. You will be motivated. Said well. Yes. Bro is geeked. No, you're geeked. You're geeked. You're geeked. No, it's you. You. Ah. Yeah. Okay. I was learning Node.js, but bumped into your stream. Divine. Serendipitous accursion. What a serendipitous accursion this is. Wait, what is it? Serendipitous. How do I say it? A serendipitous event this is. Serendipitous. Yes. That's awesome, dude. That is awesome. It says if you know how to code, not to sin to vibe code. Yes. Like we need to adopt to write. Yes. I don't know what that means, but yes. Knowing is 0 C++ and vibe coding is absolute dumb. Yeah, I concur. We don't vibe code. We code for vibes. Exactly. Nice to wait. Nice. I'm currently working on finding my first W. Yeah, massive W. Okay. There's a lot of amazing chats I would love to get to. But we need to start programming right fucking now. We are the caffeine. I woke up about 30 minutes ago, but this fucker is hitting my balls right now, and it feels good. You know. That's program. Yeah. Not great. Do you guys have emotional connection to coding or something? Yes. Emotionally distraught, my friend. We are emotionally distraught. I hope you understand that. We are emotionally distraught whenever we vibe code, and then a little watch. You're gonna look right here. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Do we have an emotional connection? Watch this. Right? You get done programming, all day. You know, you're having a good time. Your script looks sexy as fuck, right? It looks attractive. You were sexually attracted to your script because it looks that good. But then watch this. Then there's like a little thing missing or something. Oh, well, hold on. Hold your horses. And then you're over here like this, and like a little thing is missing, and you go to run it, and then you get a fucking error code. Nah. This is when when we're emotionally distracted from our will to live. You know what I'm saying? But then you fix it, and then watch this, and then you run it. Orgasm. Okay. How many Q, which is questions, did you get right? Let's see. How many questions? Let's say we had 89 questions correct. And this is a test out of like 100. Let's say where it's theoretical, it's a calculator, it's a grade calculator. Let's say we got 89 questions out of 100 questions correct. Enter a grade. Excuse me? It was supposed to be a grade calc. What? Q, how many questions? Enter a grade. What? Enter. Geeked. Break. Maybe 89. You got an A. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck this thing's doing. But it worked. That's what it needs to do, boys. That's what it fucking needs to do. Hoorah. That shit worked. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That shit worked. That's all it needs to do. When you become more of an intellect, then you can worry about it being efficient or not. But we are not at that stage of our education quite yet. Someday, though. Someday. Okay, boys. If you are just joining us and you have a large schlong and you like to program using that large schlong, would you consider tickling my pickle and subscribing? It would mean the world to me, boys. It would mean the fucking world to me. Thank you for those of you that already have, too. It means a lot to me. It really does. It does mean a lot. Because I got to go back to my 9-to-5 job very soon. And we don't like that. We'd like to be here. And you subscribing gets us, me, just a little bit closer to being able to do this more often than going to my 9-to-5 job. So thank you. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. Okay, we already done this experiment. We're gonna do the other exercise, whatever it's considering the fuck this is. We're gonna do the other exercise in the next thingamajigger. If we've done it, let's see. I think so. List equals the list. Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Where the fuck did chat go? I'm realizing it's so quiet. Oh, hi guys. I hope you're doing swell. In economy, 23 people in this economy. You're goddamn right. Actually, currently, some fucking how there's 27 of you people here. If you are one of these 27, you should consider the notion of subscribing. It would mean so much to me. You would tickle my pickle. I'll tell you that. We get that number. It is currently at that. That's the current number it's at. We're trying to get those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers. Those are rookie numbers in this bracket, okay? We're going to get those numbers up. I believe in you, boys. Okay. Let's get back to programming, yeah? Line 1, line 4. Line 1, line 4. Yeah, we'll get to it. Mine is... skip line, then I go tuples. Yo, mate, love to join the next one because I joined very late. Hey, dude, we are just starting. Don't you worry. Maybe it's late for you. Hey, if it's late for you, you go to bed, okay? Above all else, I appreciate you boys for being here, every single one of you boys. But if you were here and it's late for you, it's really late for you, like you need to go to bed, you being here means the world to me. But you know what's more important? You going to bed. You locking the fuck in when you wake up in the morning and you getting your dreams done. Okay? That's what you need to do. Okay? If you are... Okay, one sec. Real quick. I know we're on a thing. W. Absolutely W. Terry to the moon. Terry to the moon and back. Massive W. Massive W's right there. That's what we're talking about. Oh, you... Let me get us... That's... Can we get a cheers, boys? Can we get a cheers? Fucking cheers for that. That's a fucking massive W's, boy. That's a massive W. And if I haven't read your chat, don't you worry. I go back and I read every single chat. Every single one. Every single one of your racist remarks. I read it. Don't you even worry. I read it. It's 2 a.m. Okay, yeah. Back to the rant. Boys, I mean this seriously. I mean this. Because we had a small problem the other day with someone at 4 in the morning and they'd school in like 3 hours. They were in the chat. I'm like, bro, you got to go to bed now. But he decided to stay. And it was like, oh, I appreciate it, right? I sincerely appreciate it. But, big old bomba clot. But, if you need a lock-in in the morning, if you have a project you're trying to get to, if you are trying to program or currently got a little distracted inside of your YouTube feed with this very stream, my friend, you need to go to bed. You need to go to bed. If not for you, then for me. Okay? Drop a subscribe and go to bed. I appreciate every single fucking one of you. I do. Sincerely. I appreciate every single one of you. But if you are joining this stream and it is late as fuck, drop a sub. Lock the fuck in and go to bed. Okay? You got dreams and you're gonna conquer them. I know it. But that starts with going to bed, because otherwise you're gonna be addicted to these things. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Where is it? You see that? Yeah. That's what I need just to get up. That's what I need. 160 milligrams of caffeine just to get up. No. Okay. Well, I appreciate you boys for that little rant. If it's really late, I hope to see that watch counter go down a little bit. Okay, I hope to see it go down just a little bit, because you boys do need to go to bed. All right, thank you for letting me rant. Thank you for the few of you that actually just subscribed. I saw that little ting. I saw the little ding. My pickle got a little tickle, if you know what I'm saying. Not enough. Oh, trust me, that's not enough no, we have 4 of these a day. This is just like our starter. This is just to cleanse our palate. You know what I'm saying? Just to cleanse our palate. Don't you even worry. Definitely didn't got distracted. You silly little goose. You silly. Dude. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. 200 milligrams is light work. It's like, that's the problem. That's where I'm going. All right, boys. It's time to lock in. Yeah? It's time to lock in. All right, so we're going to get to the actual writing of code in just a moment, but we must first, hold up, let me turn this down just a little bit. We must first know how, because we haven't programmed in a few days, so we need to lock the fucking, make sure we got this. Okay, what is the correct syntax for joining list 1 and list 2 into list 3? Wait, by the end of this, you should program a robot arm to tickle your pickle every time you get a new subscriber. That is the most divine comment I think I've ever received in my life. What an exquisite idea, my friend. Every time that you guys, throw a little something my way. What a divine idea that is. Divine. We'll be looking into that with extreme intent. We'll be looking into this. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. What a divine idea. All right, boys. Let's lock the fuck in. I'll read chat in just a minute, but let's lock the fuck in. Okay. What is the correct syntax for joining list 1 and list 2 into list 3? Okay, list 3 equals join. I don't know about that. List 3 equals well, it might be this one actually, because what we want is a function to where if you change list 1 or list 2, that it doesn't change list 3, because that's a problem if you just add them together, right? There'll be representations, like this will, you know what I mean? Like later down the line, if this changes, if list 1 changes, then not ideal. not ideal. Okay. I'm thinking that it's going to be this one because this is an actual function. I don't remember it, but it seems like it's right. If it's not this, then it's most certainly this. We're going to try this, though. What just happened? Complete. Have you ever, you want to take this thing again? Yes. What just happened? Let's try that one more time. Yeah, shall we? Join list. So it's not that one. We knew that the whole time. It's most certainly this one. List 3 equals blam blah blam. So far, we have 100% success rate. Of course, because of course it was this one the whole time. Of course it was. That's what I said. I was just making sure that you guys were paying attention. Of course, that was the intent right there. Holy motherfucker! Holy motherfucker! Okay, it's this one. Okay, correct answer. Of course, it's the correct answer because first try, baby. First try. Let's go like this. Next question. Hey boys, I hope you're doing swell. If you're just joining us, the reason why we're learning Python right now is because we're trying to build a big bombaclot bussin' robot arm with these actuators, but in order to do that, we need to program this driver board in Python. If that's something that tickles your fucking pickle. My friends. Would you consider tickling my pickle and subscribing? It would mean a lot to me. It would. Thank you. I appreciate it, boys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Just a quick little ad. And thank you, boys, for that have been subscribed for a while. We appreciate you. You veterans. Okay, boys. Join list. Okay. What do you boys think this is going to be? I'm thinking it's going to be... Okay, so what is the correct syntax for adding elements from list 1 into list... Or list 2 into list... Okay, let's see. I'm thinking it's going to be this one. List 1 equals extend list 2. Ooh, this is good. Let's see. I might be having an aneurysm right now because I don't know what the fuck's happening. Let's see. Okay. Here's what it is. Here's what it's gonna be. List 1, extend, like extending your penal size. Push. Join extend. Okay, we want to add elements from list 1 to list 2. We want to add elements. So it's not gonna be push. It's either 1 or 2. 1 or 2. Extend a list. I'm having an aneurysm with this one. Okay. It's a coin flip. It's a coin flip, boys. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do right now. But not that way. Here's what we're gonna do. All right. We got first edition Charizard, right? This is gonna be heads. This is gonna be tails. Whatever it lands on is gonna be whatever it is. All right. Yes, I currently don't have pants on. Do you like that? Do you like that? Tell me. Okay. Heads is going to be this one. Tails is going to be this. Heads, tails. Heads. Okay, but that seems wrong though. This just seems wrong. You know what I'm saying? That just seems wrong. We have to go with it though. Oh my god. Charizard for the win. Charizard for the fucking win. Let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's what I'm talking about, bro. When has Charizard ever disappointed? Can you tell me that? When has Charizard ever disappointed? You can't name a time. You can't name a time because it hasn't happened. Divine. What a divine experience. What a divine experience that was. Okay, my boys. Okay, let's get back into the programming. Yeah. Let's get back into learning. Learning. Remembering. That's the describer I would use. Okay, boys. Hey, if you're just joining us, consider subscribing and kiss you to sleep. I hope you have a good one, my boy. I hope you sleep well. I hope you sleep really well. Yes. You sleep really well, okay? Thank you for being here, my boy. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the commitment. Thank you for being a soldier, a fellow soldier of this kingdom. We appreciate you, my boy. Thank you. Thank you. Mwah. Mwah. I love you, boy. I love you, boy. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Oh, I need a little more caffeine. No, I love you, homie. I love you. Okay, let's lock the fuck in. Next question. Okay. Consider the following code. List 1 equals ABC. List 2 equals 1, 2, 3. For X in list 2, for X, so for index in list 2, for index in list 2, list 1 dot append X. Append is going to be at the very end. So whenever we add, we are going to be adding to the back. So it's not going to be like you would think it'd be this, right? To where it's like A1, B2, C3. No. That's incorrect. And it's not going to be this either because this is just schizophrenic. Obviously, that's not the correct answer. A blind person could see that this isn't the correct answer. But as a fellow intellect, as a person of great wisdom, we can tell that this is going to be the correct answer. Let's lock that in, boys. Of course it was the right fucking answer. Of course it was. Oh, first try. Let's take a swig for that one, boys. Let's take a swig for that one. Oh, divine. Oh, exquisite. Let's go to the next one. Oh, we're done. We finished with the thing. Okay, join list. What's next? One shot. Syntax is so last century. You're goddamn right, brother. You're so goddamn right. We should be doing this shit with our minds. We should just take a fucking a chord and just like straight into our noggins. You know what I'm saying? That's a better way of doing it. I concur. To the highest extent. I concur. Okay. What's next? Okay, so we have copy list. We've done this. We have join list. We just done that. And then we have list methods. Okay, boys. Here is where we get to the learning part of learning Python. Okay. This is a new territory. We were just doing review right here. This was all review. Now we're going to learn. If you boys are having a good time, if you boys have got a little chuckle, or you want to join the Discord, do stuff, I don't know. If you're having a good time, it'd mean a lot. It'd tickle my pickle if you consider subscribing. Oh my god. One of you just fucking did. I got the little ding. One of you guys just subscribed and you just tickle my pickle, brother. You just tickle my pickle. Thank you, my boy. Thank you. We're going to update that board in just a moment. Just a moment. Okay, just for you, my boy. Just for you. Yo, I got to catch up. No, I got to catch up to you, bro. Okay, boys. Log in. Okay. List methods. This is new. This is new territory, okay? We don't know what the fuck's happening. We don't know what to expect. We don't know who is what. But all we know is that we got a new subscriber and that we got to get through this so we can update that board and have a good time. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. List methods. All right. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on the lists. Okay. Method 1, description. Oh, method, description. Oh, my God. There's so many. Append, we know this. Clear, we know this. Copy, we know this. Counts, we don't know this. Let's try this real quick. Okay, here's what we're going to do. Boys. All right? Here's what we're going to do. Oh, my God. Fuck. Let's go like this. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Let's well, ah, well, oh, here we go. Giga Chads. These are a bunch of people from a previous chat. Divine experience. That was divine experience. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Control copy. We're gonna go back over to here. For you people that don't know what just happened, we just basically went over to another file. And here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna like this. And this is Giga Chads, right? This is up here. This is Giga Chads. You guys, basically. Let's add someone real quick, yeah? Let's add someone, yeah? Copy. Let's go like this. Let's go like bam, 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 bam. Right? We add a few of you sapiens, right? Go like this. Copy, copy. Okay. We need to add a few of you sapiens in here, huh? So like this. Bam. Oh my God. We're like that. Comma that. If I'm not getting you, that's forgive me. We were just trying to see if we are doing this correctly. And then our boy, copy. Our boy. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go like this, that. There we go. We got a few more. Okay. If I didn't get you, I'm sorry. Don't worry. You are still a Giga Chad. Okay. You are still a Giga Chad to the highest extent. Okay. GGG is equal to Giga, as in Giga, Giga Chads. Let's make this Giga Chads, capital CHADS, Giga Chads dot count. Right? Yeah, I think so. I think that's how we're gonna do this, right? Let's go over to here. Where the fuck was it? COUNT returns a number of elements within a specified value. Wait, within a specified value? Okay, I might be having a seizure now. Okay, we're gonna print GGG. PRINT GGG. Okay, so logic would say that this makes sense, but does syntax say that this makes sense? No. How dare I even assume that this would work the first time? What if we were to just gigachads.count print gigachads? What if we were to do that? Control C V. Let's just do that. Let's see. Nope. We're retarded. We're fucking retarded. It's okay. We can compensate with caffeine. Now we just need to give about 5 minutes and then we'll be good to go. Yeah, I don't know how to use this. I don't know why I pretended that I could figure this out in the first try. Let's just get back to fucking learning. Because clearly that did not work at all. That's okay. You know, we gotta learn a little bit in order to learn a little bit. You know what I'm saying? We gotta fuck up a little bit. Yeah. Okay, boys, let's lock the fuck in. We can actually go like this. I'm a little depressed that it's not going to show me how to use these things, but that's okay. It's small praise to pay. Okay, boys. So we have count, extend, index returns the index of the first element with a specified value. We're going to copy this. We're going to like this. Index. Let's do 3. Right? This is... I think that's how we do this. Yeah. Let's run this. No. What if we were to just print Control C? Control V? Damn. And then let's go like this. Wait, oh no, that's what we're missing. Bam. I think that's right. I'm just fucking retarded. Holy shit. I'm fucking retarded. Oh my god. This is gonna... I'm just retarded. That's okay. I'm just retarded. That is okay. Holy shit. Y'all are going... Wait, gigchad.count mass vita. You know, we're gonna copy exactly what the fuck you're typing. GG's equals. Let's go like this. Ooh. Now do we print GG's? Why is this doing this? Oh. Wait, are you in the list though, my guy? You're not in the list. You're not in the list. Oh, we need to change that right now. We need to change that. Let's change that right now. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Wait. Let's change that right now. We're gonna go like this. Like this. Copy. Wait. 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 Give me a moment, boys. Give me a moment, yeah? We're gonna go like this. Like this. Well, this. That. There we go. And then we are to go like that. GG's equals gigachads.count. Master. What if we're to just remove this? I am so confused as to what's happening. Okay, I'm just retarded. It is official. I am fucking retarded. Okay. Holy shit. To index, you use arrays. Is this not an array? Is that not an array? I must be tripping, my guy. Print G. Print GG. Let's try this. First try. That's worth a swig, boys. Divine. Absolutely divine. Count gives you the number of items in an element. Yeah. What if I just remove this? Now insert multiple times. What if we're trying to count the number of indexes we have? What if we want to count the amount of indexes? Insert, pop, remove, reverse, sort, append, clear, count. How do we count? How do we count the number of indexes that are inside of a specific array? How do we do this? I'm very curious. Let me know your thoughts, boys. Let me know your thoughts. I'm depending on this kingdom of intellect right now. Len. Thank you, my boy. Len, look at that. You have reminded me. Dude. Well, I suppose you guys have. Yeah, I'm just retarded. Forgive me. I'm just retarded. We're gonna do equals len gigachads, bam, print GG. Holy shit. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. That's exquisite. Yeah, I just need to remember this len function real quick. I just need to remember that len function. Okay, boys. We're cooking. We're fucking cooking right now. Let's fucking go. Okay, let's get back to it. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it, huh? Yeah, let's get back to it. I believe we should get back to it. Okay. So pop removes an element from a specified list. Insert adds whatever. Wait, but where though? Into a specified position. Okay, it's good to know. Len is very useful because it works on like everything. Yeah, it works on everything except for Boolean values, or not Boolean. Like true or false, whatever the fuck you call that. I think it's Boolean. So much information in the chat log, dude. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, boy. Hey, boys, if you are here and you have a large appendage in between your legs, known as a penis, and you are actively typing chat with it, well, if you're that much of a gigachad, you should consider the notion of subscribing. That'd mean a lot to me. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. Or if you just like programming. Then you should. I'm not going to tell you should, but it would mean a lot to me if you consider the notion. It'd mean a lot to me, boys. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's go to the next one, yeah? Like, we kind of got this. Insert, sort list. Sort alphabetically. Let's try the sort. Copy. Let's do gigachads. So here's what we have to do. We have to do gigachads.sort, and then gigachads.sort. And then we just print gigachads. I believe, at least. You act like Jinxie. Who the fuck is Jinxie? Who the fuck is Jinxie? Can someone tell me who's Jinxie? Is that a compliment, boys? Boys, did our boy just compliment me, or did he insult me? Please let me know. Was that an insult or a compliment? I would really like to know. And then we're gonna go Control C. Print gigachat. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. So like this. Control C. Control V. Gigachats. Okay. Hopefully this is sorted into alphabetical and or by capitalized. Oh my god. That was exquisite. That was exquisite. That was exquisite. Let me tell you, that was exquisite. Divine. Divine. This is what that was. Divine. Oh, okay. Jinxie is a big streamer. Oh, is he? Have you ever heard of Doggo Sort? I have not. It's very funny. I'm sure it is. You can also use the sorted gigachads, but it returns the list instead of in place. What is in place? What, my friend? What are you talking about? What wizardry are you referring to, bro? What wizardry are you referring to? Bro's doing what I've been trying to do for 5 years. So you're telling me you're an intellect? Well, fellow Zayon, you fucking intellect. Control C. Let's get you in this GigaChat fucking folder because you are clearly an intellect. Huh? Clearly a GigaChat. Clearly. It only makes sense. It only makes sense as a GigaChat. I feel like this guy's a GigaChat too. You know, I can smell it. You know, I get an intuition in my balls. You know what I'm saying? Let's go like this. Like this. Oh, wait. Just like that. There we go. And then our boy, you gonna be here too. You gonna be here too. All right, it's just in case. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, boys. Oh, is that right? Yeah. Stallion sort. Stallion sort. What does this mean? What the fuck? Okay, boys. Now that GigaChats has been updated, everyone funding like and yes, boys. If you are here and you like to program, or you have been programming, or you like to program, you like to teach to program, you like to learn to program, or you like to just program, or you like making shit, maybe you like 3D printers. We got a lot of those. We got this one. We got this one over here. That's a 3D printer. That right there, that's a 3D printer. We got this thing right here. That's clearly a 3D printer. Hold up, I can just fucking zoom this out. Yeah, if you're into that, or maybe you're into maybe 3D printing isn't your only thing that turns you on. Maybe programming, 3D printing, and also maybe putting your PC into a microwave. Maybe that's what turns you on. Well, whatever the fuck turns you on and gets you hard to wake up in the morning. If one of those things is what I've just previously mentioned, then you should consider the notion of subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you for those of you that already have. There's a wildly successful stream already, somehow. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. I appreciate you. And yes, this is my PC and a microwave. And you're wondering, oh, how's the airflow? Well, ask the fan. It's blowing in there like this. You see? Look at that. That is what you call optimal airflow. Okay, you open this a little bit, it goes like in this way, and it goes in there. It stirs up, and it comes out this way. And then you got the AIO for the CPU right there, and it just like it dumps the heat out here. But you're probably wondering what type of GPU is that? Well, the astute amongst you probably have realized that is a Founders Edition. Yes, indeed, that is an RTX 5080 Founders. Yes, it turns me on every time I look at it. Yes. If it turns you on every time you look at it, well, then you should consider the notion of subscribing, because that would mean that'd mean a lot to me. That would mean a lot to me. You should consider doing that. Thank you, boys. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you like microwave supercomputer PC, you should consider subscribing. Thank you, my boys. I appreciate you. And whilst you're at it, if you are into making projects, and you have a large schlong, as most of the people that are in here do, you should consider the notion of joining our Discord. You should join our Discord and share your crazy ass projects. Where can you find this Discord you were talking about? Well, I'm gonna show you right fucking now. Watch this. You can go right here. Yeah. Join our Discord, boys. Holy shit! How many fucking subscribers have we got in this stream? Jesus Christ! Fucking massive W. God damn it. Holy shit. Hey, boys. I appreciate you guys. I do. I appreciate you. If you are... Oh, my God. The PC. I can feel the hot air right here. I can feel the hot air. But, yeah. I appreciate you boys for subscribing. I'm going to tell you the specs of the PC real quick, because you deserve to know that. You deserve to know this part of my life. All right. So, right here, inside of the microwave, we have... And, yes, by the way, it does turn on. You can plug it in and turn it on, and... very expensive push of a button. Yes. Yeah. This right here is an RTX 5080 Founders Edition. It's got 16 gigabytes of DDR7 and just a fuck ass ton of CUDA cores. Actually, hold on. Let's. Oh my God! Look at it now. You can see it glow back there. You can see it glow. Yeah. This is Founders Edition card. But then you probably wonder, what's the CPU? We did not cheap out. We did not cheap out. It is in the Ryzen 9 9950X 3D. Divine. RAM. The RAM. Only 32 gigabytes. But it makes do. It makes do. Okay, boys. Let's get back to programming. Yeah? Let's get back to programming. Hey, boys. I appreciate you for subscribing. That means a lot to me. That means a lot to me. Actually, we need to update this board right now. Let's update this board because it is outdated. It is an outdated board. Let's go right here to manage videos. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Jesus Christ. You've gone up more than... Jesus Christ, brothers. Brothers in... Holy shit. Let's update that board right now. Yeah? What are we at? We're at 36, right? Yeah, 36. Fucking massive building. Massive building. I appreciate you, boys. It means a lot to me. It truly does mean a lot to me. Oh, that's massive. Yeah, I'm not wearing pants, by the way. Who needs pants when you have chat? You know what I'm saying? Okay, boys, let's lock the fuck back in and get to it. Yeah, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Where did you guys go? Okay, let's go like that. Go like this. Give me a moment, boys. Give me a moment. Can you guys still hear? Can you guys still hear? Is it? I think we just cut out. I don't know. Let's check chat. Where's chat? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Let's see. By the way, where do you live? Utah. Moab, Utah. I don't know if I need to specify the town, but yeah, Utah of the United States of the shitty presidents. United States of shitty presidents. Yes, that is where I indeed live. India or USA? US of A, my friend. Bro, I became the #1 yapper in this chat. Massive W. Massive W, brother. Massive W. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about, my friend. How old are you? I'm going to keep you guessing. I'm going to keep you guessing. I could be 36. I could be 26. I could be 6. You're going to have to interpolate. You're going to have to interpolate, my friend. The Discord link in the description. We're going to go like this, actually. Divine idea, my friend. Divine idea. Divine idea. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate that. That is a exquisite idea. I concur to the highest extent. If you want to join the Discord, you have a big schlong, or you just like programming, then join that Discord right there. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Bro, I have achieved Unk title. You goddamn right. He can get a creator code in most games now. What is that? What is that? Low-key, all he needs is a good stream playlist, and I sent 100k subs in the next 3 months. Guys, we're gonna pretend that this is the new Shala. Okay, he is the new intellect. Yes, sure. That only says we can 1000x that, or we can 100x that, right? We can 100x that. Yeah, let's 100x that, boys. We got this. We got this. Let's lock the fucking, yeah. Let's lock the fucking, boys. Okay. Loki. All he needs. Yeah. Bro, lock in. Yeah, you goddamn right. You're fucking right. I don't need to lock the fucking. I'm gonna read just a little more chat. You'll forget us though. Brother, trust me, I'm not forgetting you. Trust me. Hey, if you join the Discord, we actually watch this. Go over here. Look at this. We got OGs in here. I guess the OG badge is no longer going to be handed out, but trust me, my friend. Join that Discord. Join that Discord. You're not going to be forgotten, brother. You guys are what made this channel. You guys are the reason why it's existing, why it's here. How could I possibly forget that? How could I possibly forget that? Nah, brothers. You guys are going to be tattooed on my back if need be. You know what I'm saying? If need be. Okay, brother. I can feel the streamers genies from this one. That means a lot, my friend. That means a lot. Now I'm okay. What the hell is this? From 32 watchers to 20. Dude, the fact that we had 32 was insane. I've only done that like once before. Like that was fucking insane. I was shitting my pants when that was happening, dude. By the way, it's impressive that you got 1,000 in 1 month. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Clearly, 10 people don't have good taste. Exactly. You see that? See, clearly, this man is obviously one of the gigaists of Giga Chats. You know what I'm saying? 14 watching now. I don't give a shit if there's 4 people watching. Because you know who those 4 people are? Those 4 people are the people that I want watching. You know what I'm saying? Who cares if it's 1 million? Who cares if it's 4? Right? I'm having a good fucking time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, I appreciate you boys for being here, though. Truly. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's take bro's advice. Tom. Let's take Tom. Oh, wait, is it Jerry or Tom?
Do you own a headlamp?
A headlamp?
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, I agree, brother. We need to lock the fuck in. All right. I just joined the Discord. W. Massive W. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Let's... Any OG title? We might be able to make a little... We might be able to do a little something for you. Okay, boys, let's lock the fuck in and learn some Python, yeah? Hold on. Some silly juice. Gotta take your silly juice. Oh my god, I almost died. The silly juice has been consumed. Let's lock the fucking. Yeah, boys. Oh, where's chat? We need to get it off to the side real quick. Lock in! Oh, 1 second, boys. We do have an OG in the chat. Sir Sisyphus. I know that is not your name, but we call you Sisyphus because you are just a G, an absolute G. We have tried creating many things. We have tried creating your thing. We have a G. Absolute G. Where the fuck is it? Peak. Absolutely peak. Okay, boys. Where the fuck? There it is. Okay, boys. Let's lock in. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Oh. Okay. What am I looking at? What am I looking at? Join list, open, okay, let's just read it. Maybe I should fucking read it. Okay, test yourself with this experience. We're gonna test ourselves, boys. We're gonna test ourselves, okay? Now you have to learn a lot about lists and how to use them in Python. Okay, okay. You are ready for this test? Are you ready? No. No. We're not ready. But are we gonna take it anyways, boys? Are we gonna take it anyways? You goddamn right. You're goddamn right. We're gonna take that shit and we're gonna ace it. Doesn't matter if we're ready. Doesn't matter if we're prepared. We're gonna take this test and we're gonna fuck it. Okay. Bomba clot style. Okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in, boys. Test your Python list skills with exercises from all categories. We can do that right now. We can do that right now. Filter categories. What? Let's see. List, access lists. Oh, this is all the lists that we done already. This is all the lists that we already done. This is all the yeah. Decretons? I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay. Let's go like this, boys. Let's go like this. Add to list. We're going to add to list. You want to take it again? Actually, no, let's just go in order, yeah? Let's go in order. We're going to remove this. Okay, we're just going to go in order. Lists. Yes, we want to take it again. If we fail this, this is going to be embarrassing as fuck. Okay? This is going to be embarrassing as fuck. Hey, boys, if you're here, please let me know. We have a little bit of background music going. Not music, but more of like a noise. Googly noise. Let me know. Is it too loud? Too quiet? Let me know. Okay? Like, just let me know if it's, you know, if it adds a nice background, like, pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah. Let me know. Okay. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list equals apple, banana, cherry. Big bomba clot, banana. Print my list 1. It's going to be banana. Because this is saying index. Obviously, we start from 0 because you got to start from 0, as all things do. As all things do. Okay. Banana. Of course, we got that. Of course, we got that right. God damn it, I'm an intellect. God damn it. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Linked lists is not dictionary. I wait for the day he makes a binary tree. Oh, that's gonna be delightful. I'm sure it's gonna be delightful. Playing with those ones and zeros is gonna divine, I tell you. Okay. Turns out we're in Lua in one. What the fuck? Hey, dude, I appreciate you saying this is big, because you know why it's big? Because you're here. It's because you're here. It's because you're here, my guy. That's why it's peak. It's because you're here. Let's see. Don't tell them about C. Trust me, we know a little bit about C. We know a little bit. Okay. Let's lock in. We got a little distracted with chat, but that's okay. Bro's Albert Einstein? No, my friend. I'm Jacob fucking Jones. Don't compare me to Einstein. Compare Einstein to me. Okay, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you get what I'm saying. But I do appreciate that. That doesn't mean a lot to me. That doesn't mean a lot. I get. I'm smelling the shit you're stepping in. Okay, my list equal banana, cherry, print. My list 2. 0, 1, 2, banana. Of course, it's correct. Okay, list items cannot be removed after they have been created. Incorrect. God damn it, we're on a roll. Okay, select the correct function for returning the number of items in a list. Len. We're gonna cook with this one, boys. We're gonna fucking cook. Let's cook. Of course we got that fucking correct. Congratulations, you have proven that you have a big schlong, is what this is trying to say. Let's actually fix this. Complete. Let's go like this. Inspect. Where is it? Bam, bam, bam. Add HTML. You have big schlong. You have big schlong. Look at that. Look at that, boys. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, boys. We got a big schlong right there. Completed. Big schlong. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. What is this one? We don't need this. Okay. Next one. Access list. It's going to be divine. It's going to be divine. Let's open this up. Okay. I don't know how DK what I guess big schlong is. Let me tell you, my friend, right now. Let me tell you what a big schlong is. Let me tell you what a big schlong is. It's the appendage you possess in between your legs. Of course, if you are a male. If you're a female, it doesn't exist. But if you're a big bombaclot dude with programming skills such as myself, then a big schlong is indeed what you have. Okay, we're going to do this one. We're going to do yes. The fact I have to specify that is the silliest thing. Yes! It's your dick. Okay. Experience accessing list. What will be the result of the following syntax? I don't know. Let's see. My list equals apple, banana, cherry. Big banana. Big banana. Print. My list, -1. Lists are indexed, right? It goes 0, 1, 2, but then they also go in reverse. Okay? They back that shit up. Okay? It goes -1, -2, and everything. It's not no -1. It doesn't start from 0. Immediately goes to -1. Immediately. Okay. It's gonna be cherry. Of course it's cherry. Of course it's cherry. Yeah. Let's continue, boys. Let's continue. God damn, we're on a fucking roll. Holy shit. Okay, let's continue. I need a little more silly juice. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Print the second item in fruits list. Okay. 1. We're gonna like this. Wait, print fruits fruits like this. 1. And for those of you that are just joining, oh my god, 1. You may be wondering, why the fuck would we be printing like this? Why would you print 1? Because we want to get the second item, right? We want to print the second item right here, right? Why are we printing the first item right here? Why are we printing this? It's because we start at 0. As all great things in this world do. You can't even tell me that didn't tickle your pickle. You can't even tell me that didn't tickle your pickle. Because it did. It did. Okay. What will be the result of the following syntax? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. My list equals apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi. Okay. Print my list. Ooh, now. So right here we have the start and then the finish. Remember, inclusive, exclusive. Inclusive, exclusive. What does this mean? I'm going to show you guys right fucking now. I'm going to show you guys. So let's go to position 1, index 1. 0, 1. That's going to be starting right here. Banana. Banana. Banana, okay? But now we're going to go to 4. Watch this. Watch this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kiwi. You're thinking we would include kiwi, right? You thinking we'd include kiwi? No. Because it's exclusive. What does this mean? It means we're going to be going back 1 index. So, banana, cherry, orange. Of course that was correct. Of course that was correct. Of course that was correct. Oh. Oh, divine. Oh, we have an exquisite question right here. We have an exquisite question. Why do you write to include Kiwi? Why do you write to include... Oh, I thought you were saying, why don't you write to include Kiwi? But the reason why we would not include Kiwi, actually, we're going to show you probably on the next one. Watch this. You see this Kiwi... Oh, where'd chat go? Let's look at this, right? Let's say that you wanted to include banana and just orange. You wanted to get from here to here, right? You would write it like this. You would write 1, 4. And this is 4, right? This is index 4. This is like, you'd be like, what the fuck's happening here? Why are you doing 4? That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You would include Kiwi, right? But no. Whenever you're doing this side of the colon, whenever you're doing this, right? This is the start and this is the end. But you don't include the end thing. You do the one right before it. So it's not going to be Kiwi. It's going to be orange. So if we were to do this, this is what it would return. Does that make sense, my friend? So this one, inclusive, meaning if we do 1, index 1, it's going to be banana. But on this side of the colon, on this side, meaning the end position, right here, this 4, it's going to be exclusive, meaning it's going to be using it's only going to be printing the index before it. So banana, cherry, orange, not including Kiwi. Okay, what the fuck is this exercise asking for? Use a range of indexes to print the 3rd, 4th, and 5th item. This one gave me a seizure. I remember we were in chat for 20 fucking minutes trying to figure this one out. But we know how to do this now because we are intellects. Okay, watch this. So we want the 3rd, 4th, and 5th item. So 0, 1, 2. So 3rd. Oh no, so 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So 3, 4, and 5. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go 0, 1, 2, colon. Oh, not 21. We're going to do 2, colon, because like you do. And then we're going to go with the 5th item. Where's the 5th item going to be? 0, 1, 2. Oh, wait, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th item. What index is it going to be at? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to do 5 because remember, it's exclusive. What does this mean? You probably like, oh, I already know what it means. Well, that's because you're an intellect. But for me, not an intellect, it would be a little bit confusing. So we have to get this one because it's exclusive. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do 5 right here. We're gonna press the submit answer, and there's gonna be a giant green screen, and I'm gonna orgasm all over the place. That was divine. Exquisite. God, we're on a roll. So we understand this one. Change a list. This is where shit gets funky. Okay, what the fuck are you guys doing in chat? What are you boys doing in chat? God damn. There's a lot of... Vibe coding is ass? Correct. I'm not going to say anymore because you are just correct. You're correct. Import open AI. No. What's the whole point of learning? The whole point of learning is to grow your schlong size. Coding is ass. I don't think you mean that. Coding is butt cheeks and ass. In the best way possible. Okay? Divine intellect. You're goddamn right. Understand what? Okay. Now I will say to my classmates that you got a small schlong, and we'll tell him that schlong means something like hate. So they'll think you are great. You're goddamn right. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Yeah, no, I'm getting a little confuzzled too now. Let's see, go like this, go like this, yeah. Oh, what's up, my boy? He is not. Oh, what just happened? Right, right. I don't know. I don't know. Honest to God, I don't know what the fuck just happened. Well. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. What is up, my boy? I hope you're doing swell. I hope you're doing absolutely swell. All of you intellects that are here. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it. All right. Now I will say to my. Oh yeah, we already read this. A better way to word negative one, given the person. You were correct, but it worked anyways. We're just trying to do a way that works. You know what I'm saying? I am so sorry. I wrote the same message 3 times, but it was funny. So yeah. So forgive me. You're forgiven, my friend. Your sins have been forgiven on this divine day. Okay, forgiven today. Let's see. By the way, 21. Hey, if you are a part of these 24 people that are watching, or less or more, whatever it may be, and you like to program, and you like to make shit with 3D printers, or maybe you like to build shit, and that's your thing, it would mean a lot if you consider subscribing. We are trying to rule the world. Okay, we are trying to conquer this planet, 1 subscriber at a time. It would mean a lot if you consider subscribing. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. Okay, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Yeah. Let's lock in. Okay, Jacob, what do you think of Twitch or Kick? Never done it, but it seems dope. It seems like it'd be. It seems like it'd be dope. It seems like it would be really dope. We're back to 40 likes. Damn, we have not had that many in like fucking forever. Jesus, are we seriously at 40 likes? Damn. Yeah, no, you my boy, you're 100% right. This would have totally worked for the thing. Actually, no, it wouldn't have, because we needed to exclude the first one. But yeah, no. But don't worry, we have moved on. Okay, boys. Holy shit. The silly juice that I did drink, it's kicking my ass now. I'm starting to crash. You know what that means? You know what that means? We need more silly juice. Okay, boys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go grab another silly juice, okay? Hold on, how much? I need to be to work. I need to go to my 9-to-5 job. Hey, if you want to unleash me from my shackles of my 9-to-5 job, it would mean a lot if you consider the notion of subscribing, because I would like to not be programming. Or sorry, I would like to not be going to my 9-to-5 job. I would like to be here learning to program instead, but instead I have to go to my 9-to-5 job. So if you want to unleash me from my shackles at some point in the near future, you subscribing would genuinely get me just a little bit closer to that reality. So thank you. I appreciate everyone that has. And I'm going to go grab some silly juice now. All right, let's go do that. Let's get that number up. Let's get that number up. Yep. Right there. I just inhaled some caffeine into my lung. That's okay. You gotta do that. You know, sometimes you gotta inhale caffeine into your lungs. It helps. It gets it quicker. Is Rockstar nice? No, but it's cheap. It's really cheap. Rockstar is actually really shitty. It tastes all right. It's just cheap. It's cheap caffeine. It's like crack, but cheap. You know what I'm saying? I wish I could get that juice. I'm country as well. Interesting. I'm here to unleash you from your 9 to 5 job. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Divine words. Divine words. My brother, go to his 9 to 5 job, college, and I know the job is pain and his ass because he doesn't like it. He just does it for money. I do it mostly for money because obviously, as you do any job for money. But there's also I work at a hospital, so it's like I can't complain too much. You know what I mean? I can't complain too much. But programming is infinitely better, though. Arguably, it is infinitely better. Oh my god, I can feel my brain turning on. It's like pouring gas into a big old truck. Or some diesel. You know what I'm saying? It's like pouring some diesel into a big old truck. Okay, boys, let's get to programming, yeah? Bridge. What's my favorite type of bridge? My friend? What the fuck type of question is that? I'm really curious as to what you're talking about. What is your favorite type of... Am I reading that right? Chat, let me know. Am I reading that right? Yeah, no, you're right. Hey, you're right, bro. You're right. Lock in. Lock in. You're right. Let's lock in, boys. We still have more shenanigans to get to. Let's get to this. Let's get to this. Let's see. I normally have Rubicon energy drinks. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a real good one. Okay. Let's see. Wait, what? I'll have to quit this. Damn, brother. I think they make caffeine vapes. That's insane. If you guys are doing caffeine vapes, please stop doing that right now. Just drink it. Just drink it. Holy shit. Holy, that's insane. God damn. Okay. Why does bro inhale Oh, it was accidental. It was accidental. Let's see. What job do you do? I don't know why I needed felt the need to show that. I thought that was my badge. I work at a hospital, my friend. I work at a hospital. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Okay, let's go like this. Let's go like this. But what grade? I'm not in school, my friend. I am not in school. Thank God. Thank God. A lot of people are saying it's not worth it. I agree that it's not worth it. Lock in, boys. Okay. I can only drink caffeine as a caffeine source. Exactly, yeah. On the card. Oh, what grade am I? You only get a sneak peek, okay? You only get a sneak peek. You tell me. You tell me, my boy. You tell me. But it's good, so can't come. Exactly. Okay, boys. Let's lock in. Let's lock in, yeah? Okay. So we've done this. Change list. I'm gonna change the list right now. Let's change it. Okay, let's go like this. Complete. We're gonna do that. Okay. Oh, boys, we need to lock the fuck in right now. Lock the fuck in. Okay. Let's actually zoom this in just a little bit. Be a little more pleasing to the eye, as you will. So like this. Okay. Have you tried chess? I am not trying chess on YouTube chat ever again because we did that once, and I got my ass pounded. Okay, it was atrocious. We tried chess. The most random guy. He's like, "Oh yeah, I play chess on the side." His elo was like 4 fucking octillion. It was. Dude, it was not acceptable. I got my ass handed to me. Wait, one sec. Okay, now it's time to lock the fucking... I don't know about Pokemon, so I am now pure full unk. Don't worry. That's... don't even worry. You should do like a whole ass training arc. I concur. That is a divine idea. That is a divine idea, my friend. Divine idea. Okay, boys. What will be the result of the following syntax? Okay. My list equals apple, banana, cherry. Print 0 with kiwi. Print my list 1. Oh, it's trying to bamboozle us, boys. It's trying to bamboozle because we're adding something and we're printing it, so the syntax might be changing. This code scrolling. That's a divine con. That's a divine. Divine, boys. Absolutely divine. Let's go like this. You're going right over here. Bam. 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 Bam, bam. Divine comment. Divine comment. That's a massive W. You are amongst the Giga Chads now. Amongst the Giga Chads. Absolutely divine. Absolutely divine. Okay. Let's lock the fuck in, yeah? Let's lock the fuck in. Hold up. Get a little silly juice. A little silly juice. Exquisite. Exquisite. Okay, boys. Let's see. My list equals blah, 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 kiwi, banana. Okay, apple, banana, cherry. Okay, okay. My list 0, so the first index is now going to be kiwi. Now it's going to be kiwi, right? Okay, so 0 is now going to be kiwi. Apple was once 0, but now it's going to be kiwi. Print my list -1. It's going to be apple. Because watch this. We're going to go kiwi, apple, banana, cherry. So, position numero uno is going to be apple. Watch, we're going to get a massive green screen, and it's going to be divine. It's going to be absolutely divine. Apple. Okay, let's go like this, right? Okay, we're gonna go right over here, boys. We're gonna go right over here. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Print, bam. Print. Print my list. My list. Print my list. Okay, we're going to get the result right down here. Does it replace it? Does it replace it? I didn't know this. I thought it just... Oh, we didn't append, or we didn't insert. I thought we did insert. If we did insert right here, then it would have moved everything along. But we're just setting this one equal to this. So it's going to stay the exact same. As you guys can clearly tell, sometimes I falter. I falter. I am reading chat now, and I'm realizing that I am autistic. Hey, boys. I appreciate you boys for being here. I appreciate you boys telling me how fucking retarded I am. Truly. I mean that. I appreciate you boys for telling me how retarded I am. Okay. Obviously, fuck this one, fuck that one. It's going to be the divine banana. Let's get a green screen, yeah? Let's get a green, massive green screen right now. Massive W for chat. Massive W for chat. You guys have been telling me for literally, I wasn't reading chat. Massive W. Massive W's for chat. That's what I'm talking about, brother. That's what I'm talking about. You guys are an intellects. Clearly, you guys are intellects. You guys are intellects. Wait, Python started from 1? Okay, so if we go back, we actually can't. So yeah, Python starts from 0. If I think you know that, right? Print. Absolutely. 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 Oh, wait. Divine. Divine. Wait. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so basically, to explain to you, my friend, you have a very good question right here. You have a very, very, very good question right here. Okay? Very good question. Python and a lot of other programming languages, they start from 0. The index position, the indexing, because you can index or you can access the position of anything in a list or a tuple or a dictionary. Not a dictionary, maybe, I don't know. But you can access the position of this data. How do you do? And the thing that's really curious, really strange, but makes sense once you dive into it, is that it starts from 0. One sec, there is a hooligan at my door. What is up? Open. Oh my god. Oh, hello, mother. That is not a hooligan. This is my mother.
You have to be to work soon.
No, I don't. I got plenty of time.
Okay, I need your paperwork.
Oh yes. Uno momento, my boys. We gotta. Hold on. The mother has arrived at the thing. Ah. Hold on. Let's make sure that. It's been a while since you've been here. How you been?
Yeah. All right.
So we have this one.
Did I accidentally have my ring camera set to you?
No, that's the about that.
Oh.
Yeah. So we have this one. This is.
Regional?
One moment, boys. I live in America. We have to do taxes here. We have to give the government all of our money.
Yep, that's that one. I need that one. I need the other one
The other
from
one.
the movies.
One moment, boys. I'll be right back. Okay. Potentially. One moment, boys.
We'll put it on my desk if you find
I'll
it.
do that, yeah.
Is that it? That might look like it.
Oh, actually, right.
It is.
I didn't know I had two of these.
Yeah,
Oh, so anything like that.
Entertaining.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
$50 is it?
You'll have to go and pay them. Excellent.
Well, then what are you doing?
Because I'm going to give it to them so that they can do the work and all you have to do is show up
Oh.
and sign.
Okay. They bring money to that.
You will. Or bring the card. I mean, or you do that. I'll let you know. My appointment's next Thursday. I just wanted to get it now because
Yeah.
I'm going to go for a run with the dogs.
Oh, gotcha.
Lion's back.
Don't fall off. Don't let that.
I don't go up. I just
Yeah.
go along with it. Yeah.
Right.
Enjoy your
Yes.
stuff
There's 22 people watching.
and your underwear.
Yes, it matters.
Okay. Let me do it.
Okay, boys. That was taxes. That was stuff about taxes. Because I live in America. For you boys that do not live in America, we have taxes here in America that are outrageous, and they are stupefyingly complicated, and nobody likes them, and our government doesn't know how to spend money anyways. But yeah, we pay them anyways because we hope that they're going to use it for good things, not intercontinental ballistic missiles. But you take the highs with the lows. You know what I'm saying? You take the highs with the lows. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Oh, let's update this board, yeah? Let's update this board. What are we at? We're gonna lock in just a moment, boys. This is what our subscriber count was at just a minute ago. Let's see. Taxes for Israel, dude. We spend money on everything that isn't. I don't. That we're not even. I'm not even gonna get into that. I'm not even gonna get into it. Holy motherfucker! That's divine. That's divine. Hey boys, I appreciate you all for being here. Sincerely, this is one of the more successful streams we've ever had. If you hate taxes, or you like to program, or you have a big schlong, or you program with your schlong, or you program with your schlong trying to avoid taxes, well then you should consider subscribing. It would mean a lot. I know a lot of you fucking have, which is fucking insane. This is diabolically insane. But thank you, boys. Every single one of you that has been here, that's on this journey to learning, to educating ourselves. I appreciate you, boys. Thank you. Sincerely. It means a lot to me. I got to go to my 9-to-5 job very soon, unfortunately. But with you guys, with your help, with you pressing that little button and this number going up slowly, that might not be the case. And you're probably thinking, oh, I don't matter. I don't matter much. Like my tiny little pressing of that button doesn't matter. I want you to look at this. This might be confidential, but I don't give a shit. I want you guys to look at this. Sponsorship. Sponsorship. I never in a million years would have thought that a company would have reached out to me and considered sponsoring. You know why this is possible? It's because of you. It is because of you hitting that little button, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you like to program, if you like to 3D print shit, if you like hold on. If you like 3D printing shit, focus camera, focus. Hold up, we're gonna make this a little bit bigger real quick. Because we're gonna do small rant. Okay. If you like 3D printing, if you like that's the wrong way. If you like 3D printing, if you like, doing shit like this, there's another 3D printer right there. You can kind of see the corner of it. We're gonna be making some crazy shit. Okay. Look at my desk. Look at my desk. Look at this shit. We have driver boards, potentiometers, robot actuators, a bunch of other shit. Freaking things, servo motors, Arduinos. Torn apart fucking cell phones. We're gonna be doing some crazy shit. If this computer that's in a microwave right now turns you on, you should consider subscribing. Okay, it would mean a lot to me. We're gonna make some crazy shit on this channel. You guys are gonna be involved the whole goddamn time, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys that have subscribed. I appreciate it. I know I'm ranting a lot. I'm sorry, but sincerely, I do mean it. Like, you guys are getting me closer to being able to not work my job anymore. I don't want to. I would prefer being here programming with you guys. Yeah, let's update that board, yeah? Let's update that board. What is it at now? What are we at? Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Holy motherfucker. I appreciate you boys so much. Thank you. Thank you for getting us here. This is the most successful stream we've had in a long time. And it is because of every single one of you guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. 46. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's insane. Dude. That's you. This is you. Okay, boys. There's only one thing we must do now. There's only one thing, and it is a simple, most universal language that anyone can understand. And it's called locking the fuck in. Let's do that now. Yeah. Let's go right here. So, we did the... Oh, wait, no, we're still on this one. Yeah. Wait, where the fuck did chat go? Plus 10 sub is crazy, dude. That's insane. Microwave PC. Yeah, microwave PC. Did you guys see? Yeah. Just a quick. I know we're gonna lock in. In just a moment. Trust. Microwave PC. Yes. Microwave PC. Yes, I can press this button and it will turn on. By the way, it is. You see that little cord right there? You see that cord? It is plugged in right now. So yes, I can fry everything that's in here. RTX 5080 Founders, Ryzen 9, 9950X 3D, 32 gigabytes of DDR5, if you are curious. Which, of course, the people that are in this chat are curious about that type of shit. Of course they are. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in. Enough yapping. Let's lock the fuck in. 45 likes, too? Holy shit, dude. You boys been cooking, huh? Holy shit. I'm feeling like my heart palpitate right now. Yeah, it's okay. You gotta do what you do. Okay, I was wrong. Hello? Huh? I'm so confused. I can't understand what you just said. Some divine codes? Exactly. That's exactly what I just said. Some divine shit. Divine shit, exactly. Yeah, ease up on that juice. Ease up on the silly juice? No. No. Okay. Next question, boys. Lock in. Lock the fuck in. Okay. Keep the green screen green. You're goddamn right. We're gonna keep that shit green. Okay. Change the value from apple to kiwi in the fruits list. Okay. So fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. We're gonna do this. Fruits, fruits. Wait, no. We're gonna do fruits. Okay, yeah, we're gonna fruits equals fruits. This we have to change the index position, right? We have to change the index position. Let's go like this. We're gonna change apple, so 0 to. Let's go like this. Kiwi. All right. KIWI. Okay, what do you boys think? What do you boys think? Does this look correct? Oh, you gotta go. Hey, my friend. Hey, it was nice. It was nice. It was nice. Nice having you here, my friend. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you. I appreciate it. Spelling brief. Oh, wait. What? Fruits. Kiwi. What are you talking about? Spelling. Spelling is wrong. How? Please inform me. Please inform me right now. How is my spelling incorrect? Lol. Please tell me. Fruits spelling. It's not ST. Oh! Yeah. Thank you, boys. Thank you, boys. I appreciate you guys. What would I do without you, huh? What would I do without you? I wouldn't. I couldn't. What, boys? Let's lock the fuck in. Let's get this. Let's make this shit green. Yeah. Is it still wrong? Maybe I spelled it wrong. Fruits. Fruits. Let's go like this. 0. Bam. Apple to kiwi. Okay. We're gonna do bam. Kiwi. Yeah. Wizards. There are wizards in the chat. Wizards. I don't know what Wizards. It's as simple as that. It's wizards. Next question. We understand what's happening though. But that's the most important part. We understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Okay. What will be the result of the following syntax? My list equals apple, banana, cherry. Okay. My list. Okay, so banana is going to be equal to kiwi, mango. So it's going to be apple, kiwi, mango, cherry. That's how it's going to be. That's what it's going to be. Okay? Print my list 2, 0, 1. It's going to be mango. It's going to be mango because remember, whenever you insert like this, whenever you insert a thing like this and it's equal, because like look, this right here is just saying banana, right? It's just saying banana, right? We have 1, which is 0, 1 right here, and then 2, 0, 1, 2. But it's exclusive. This is exclusive, so it's going to fall back into the next one. So banana. So banana is equal to kiwi and mango. What's going to happen? It's going to insert it like this. Apple, kiwi, mango, cherry. That's exactly what's going to happen. So print my list 2. What's that index 2? 0, 1, 2. Big boy mangoes. Please get it right. Please get it right. Please get it right. Otherwise, this is going to look embarrassing. Of course it's right. Of course it's right. Why wouldn't it be? Why wouldn't it be? Oh. This is what I'm talking about. This is what the fuck I'm talking about, brother. It's divine. It's divine. Okay. We have completed this one. Completed that. Change list. dude, we are cooking with butter. We are going through all these. We're cooking with butter, boys. We're cooking with fucking butter. Oh, we need a little bit of silly juice. All right, boys. If you were here and you haven't subscribed, consider making this number right here go up. This number right here. You're goddamn right, it's green. You're goddamn right. Oh, I can't paste it. Well, copy. We're gonna go Control C. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Green equals divine. You intellects. You fucking intellects. Okay, boys. If you haven't already, consider the notion of subscribing. It would tickle me. It would. Thank you. Thank you for those of you that have. Okay. Are we on add list or change list? Well, I guess we could just see it. Yeah, we just done this. That was our, yeah, that was change list, right? Yeah. Okay. So we're on add list now. Add. Okay, boys. Let's lock the fuck in, huh? Let's lock the fuck in. That will be the result. What will be the result of the following syntax? I don't know. Let's look at it real quick. My list equals apple, banana, cherry. My list dot insert 0, comma, orange. Print my list 1. It's gonna be apple because insert. Remember, insert is just pushing everything else backwards or forwards, pushing it all. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You intellects, you fucking intellects. You guys know what I'm saying. So it's gonna be apple because look at this. 0, 1. It's gonna be apple because orange is gonna be right here, apple's gonna be right here, and it's gonna be fucking apple. Divine. 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 Okay, let's go to the next. Okay. Use the append method to add orange to the fruits list. Okay. Okay, let's go like this. Let's go like this. Okay, we're gonna go fruits. Wait, do we have to print it though? No, we're just appending. We don't have to print shit. Okay. F R U I T S fruits dot append. We're gonna copy this because we don't want to misspell it. Copy to append let's do like this. Do you think it's parentheses or brackets? I'm thinking it's parentheses. Yeah, let's go with that. I think it's parentheses. Okay, let's go like that. Orange. We're going to append orange. Copy. V, orange. I don't know if this is illegal right now because I'm showing you guys a paid course. I'm showing you guys a paid course, and well, if I yeah, whatever. Hopefully, I don't get sued by W3 schools. That would be unideal for my mental health, but that's okay. What is your favorite breed of ant? Aunt May. Aunt May. Obviously, Aunt May. Of course, from Spider-Man No Way Home. Aunt May, of course. What type of question is that? Okay. Oh, yes. Thank you, boys. Thank you. You divine creatures. You divine creatures. Thank you for reminding me. We would have fucked up right there. That would have been catastrophic. Okay. Dot append. ORANGE. Append fruits. Okay. By all accounts, this should be correct. Are we being super duper for real right now? Are we being super duper for real? We're on a winning streak right now. We're on a winning streak. Spider-Man No Home. Silly. What time is it in your country, Jacoby? That's the time. That's the time. Let's go like this. I hope that was informative. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Sorry, we need to do a little bit of little tickle. Oh, right. Wait. Damn, I am 5 in the morning. 5 in the morning? Homie. You need to go to bed. Did bro just take off his taskbar? I don't think so. I hope not. You need to go to bed right now, my friend. Okay, boys. Small rant. We're gonna go on a small rant. We're gonna small rant. We're gonna do small rant first because we are. If it is 5 in the fucking morning for you right now, my friend. If it is 5 in the fucking morning, you need to do something for me right now, okay? If not for you, do it for me, okay? What is that? You might be asking, what divine thing is this crazy man about to ask me? Let me tell you. It's to go to bed. It's to go to bed. If it is too late right now, brothers, this is a place of locking the fuck in. You know what's impossible to do when you have no sleep? That is locking the fuck in. Okay? No sleep equals not locking in. And I need you boys to lock in. You guys have dreams, right? You guys have dreams. You guys have aspirations. You guys want to create and make and do shit, don't you? Well, guess what? Guess what? This is only possible if you get good sleep. Okay? So I need you boys, if you are here and it is really late for you, to lock the fuck in and go to bed. I appreciate you being at the stream. I do, with every single morsel of my, every fiber of my being, every morsel of my soul. I appreciate you being here. But it would mean a lot to me if you would consider going to bed. Go to bed, boys, because it's important. It is. It's very important. Okay, boys. On my third white monster. When I'm 3 white monsters deep, and I'm shaking like a leaf. I got a honey bun, a bottle of rum, and I never felt so free. It's a beautiful day at the Circle K. Yeah, if you're 3 white monsters deep, you should probably just continue programming. Plus, it's okay. You were Sir Terry Davis. Okay, you were an intellect. Okay, there's nothing you can't do. Dude, yeah. My boys, all of you boys, know exactly. Boys, go to bed. I appreciate you being here. It means a lot to me, sincerely. But I was having this conversation with someone at like 6 in the morning. He hasn't slept in like a day, in 2 days. You need to sleep. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna assume that this counter is gonna go down. Okay, I'm gonna assume that counter is gonna go down. Okay, go to bed. Go to bed, my brothers. Hey, and whilst you're at it, if it is late for you, consider hitting that subscribe button on the way out. It would mean a lot to me. And if you are a divine intellect, which most of you are, consider joining our Discord right here. Share your projects. If you have crazy projects and you were like really good at programming, you really like teaching it, you really like learning about it, or maybe you like 3D printing shit, right? Maybe 3D printing shit is like, you know, your thing. Well, then join that Discord. Go share your project. Someone 3D printed a fucking laptop in the server, by the way. Someone 3D printed a laptop. Yeah. It's fucking insane. I appreciate you boys, though, for being here. Sincerely, I appreciate you boys for being here. I hope You have a good rest of your night. But go to bed. Go to bed. All right, boys. Let's lock in. Enough yapping. Let's lock in. If this camera will stay still. Okay. Let's lock in, yeah? Where's chat? Where's chat? Good night. Good night, brother. I'm glad you are going to get some good sleep. Good morning. Oh, no. Complete caffeine, sleep, repeat. Caffeine, sleep, repeat. That is very well said, my friend. That is very well said. I'll go to Discord. That's what I'm talking about. I also just started learning the most cursed language. C++. We're actually going to be learning that too. We are going to be learning that as well. It's in here, actually. Somewhere in here. Right here. We're going to be learning that as well. So, I'm glad that you are going to be joining us in that excursion. Okay, boys. Deep breath. Deep breath. All right. In through the nose. Hold it. Out through the mouth. Now, for those of you that didn't take a deep breath, in through the nose. Hold it. Out through the mouth. Now, for you fuckers that didn't listen to me the first 2 times, in through the nose. Hold it. A little bit more. Out through the mouth. Take a sip of silly juice. And another. One more just to be safe. Okay. Let's program. Let's program, yeah? Oh, I feel rejuvenated. Wow, I need to do that more often. Holy shit. Like, I feel like I just lifted a veil from my eyes. I'm like awake now. Wow. Okay, next question, boys. Let's lock in. Lock the fuck in. Right now. Lock in. Okay. Use the insert method to add lemon to the second as the second item in the fruit list. Okay. We want to replace it right here. We're going to insert. So we're going to insert INSERT. Insert. Oh no, we're going to do fruits. We have to do fruits. 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 As they are. Fruits dot insert. Here's what we're going to do. Brackets. We're going to do insert. We want lemon to be at the second item. Not index. Not index. Item. Item. Okay? Second item. Which is where banana is. What index is banana at? It's a second item, but it is 1. It is 0, 1. It is the first index. Like that. Alright. Yep. Well, this seems off. But it works. But it works, I think. Something's off. Boys, what's off? Something's off. This is wrong. Like, this makes sense, but something's off. Well, what's wrong with this? What's wrong with this code? Just add. Yeah, I was trying to do that. I'm trying to do. Oh, well. Let's go like this. You forgot that. Yeah, but like, where would I put that? Look, I can't add it. I can't add it. Maybe I spelled something incorrect. INSERT. Yeah, we're supposed to put a bracket right here, but like, huh? It's not like I can't do that. Like I can't. It won't let me type anymore. After. Maybe is it like this? That seems so wrong. Oh, literally what you just typed. Yeah. That's the only thing I can assume, but that seems wrong, doesn't it? I don't know. That's it. This is the Max X. What? You forgot yeah, no. It's yeah, W3 sometimes has a few faults. Yeah, it sometimes we have learned a few times that it does some silly things. Unlike the silly juice, of course. Divine. This is interesting. At least we're locked the fuck in, man. We're locked the fuck in. Okay. Damn, my English is broken. My English is broken now. I've been speaking it for 20 years. 20 plus years. My English is broken. Don't even worry about your English. I've been speaking it for my whole life, and I don't even know how to spell it. I don't even know how to spell. Okay, just submit the answer, bro. You're right. We'll submit this. We're going to copy this in case if it's red. Okay, so fruits dot apple banana. We have to insert lemon into the right here. It seems correct. I wasn't expecting that. That was a 1, 2, 3 school. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 schools. That was a very weird way of doing that, but we did learn something though. We did learn something. GigaChads.insert. We're gonna go like this. Actually, let's get a reference of what we're doing. We're gonna do Control C. Okay. Well. Okay, so we're gonna copy that, but we're gonna do it over here real quick. We're gonna go like this. Control C. We're gonna go like this. Control V. Oh, wait. Copy. Let's go like this. GigaChats dot insert. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go 1, comma, and then we're gonna do our boy, of course. Of course, we're gonna do our boy. Copy. Okay. So, now with this, let's see, that at 1. So, it should be right here. Let's run this. Oh, well, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Yeah, we have to print GigaChads, obviously. Print. One moment, boys. One moment. Control C. Control V. Okay. So, right here, we should have it to where, right, this index is that. That is exactly what we get. It's exactly what we get. I didn't know that we could do it like this. Like this. Like, I didn't know we could do GigaChads and then we can do... Like, I thought in order to access the index position, I thought we had to add a bracket. This is not the case, apparently. Or, no, let's try it, actually. Let's do 1, comma, and then let's steal another intellect in here. Let's go like this. Copy. Okay. Okay, let's remove this. Control X, Control B. Why is that bracket there? I don't know. Okay. Maybe comma? Could we do that? I know it's wrong. I know this is wrong, but I'm just seeing. We're just seeing. You know what I'm saying? Minecraft stream tomorrow. You might be able to do that. Hey, boys, if you are curious, we do have a Minecraft server up. Of course, in order to access that, you are going to need to join the Discord. Hold up, is this... Dude, if we get this thing to a 5 today, that's going to be fucking diabolical. That's going to be fucking diabolical if we get that shit to a 5 today. Oh my god, that's going to be crazy. But yeah, join this Discord right here. We have a Minecraft server. It's going to be divine. Okay. So yeah. basically, I'm just curious. I know that this is wrong. There's a wrong way of doing it, but I thought you had to access the index by doing that. I suppose not. Wait, what? Oh, we have to dot insert. Jesus Christ, no wonder it was showing a thing. Maybe dot insert. What if we do this? Would it work still? Would it work? That's all I'm trying to see is if these brackets right here fuck everything up. So, we should be able to get... We're going to print this, and hopefully this stays the exact same. Error. Yeah. Why does this do this? I wish I can get rid of that. It's kind of annoying. Index. 1. I guess, yeah, we just... Huh. We just get rid of that. We know now. We know now that you do not have to access the index as long as the function is calling for the index, as it is right here, and we specify a number, it'll be that index. We know that now. Good to know. We did not know this before, but now we do. Oh, what's up, my boy? I hope you were doing swell. I hope you're doing swell, my boy. Let's see. It is exclusive to insert functions, maybe. Wait, it is exclusive to... Dude, literally, exactly. You're spitting facts here. It is exclusive to insert functions, maybe. You don't have to use that... Dude. This is why you were an intellect. This is why you were an intellect, my friend. Divine intellect, if you will. The brackets is not necessary, apparently. Yes, inside of functions, it is not. Specifically in functions. Let's keep it right there. Let's keep it. Keep it. Look who is back. Look who is back, yes. Yo, your age, Jacob. Yo, your age, Jacob. I am... less than 1 year old on Jupiter. Yeah, on Jupiter I am less than... No, I'm almost 1 year old on Jupiter. Almost, I think. Hold up, how many Earth years is one Jupiter year? Wasn't working. Oh, my headphones, yeah, okay. How, one sec, how many pronos do you how many EARs Earth YEARs is on the Jupiter year? There we go, let's see. I'm a little less than 2 years old. I'm a little less than 2 years old. A little less than 2 years old. On Jupiter, of course. On Jupiter, I'm a little less than 2 years old. Let's go like this. Where is this? Let's go like this. There's that. We're almost complete with this. Okay, so we have learned this. We have learned this. We can continue now, boys. We can continue. Let's lock in. Okay. So like this. You boys ready? You boys ready? Okay, next question. Okay. Select the missing part. Wait. Select the missing parts to add the elements of tropical fish to fruits. We want to add the elements of tropical fish into fruits. Okay. Fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. Tropical fish equals mango and pineapple and papaya. Okay. We want to add elements from tropical fish into fruits. Fruits.extend. Wait, well. It's going to be fruits.extend. Add the missing parts, elements of tropical fish to, so we're adding to tropical fish. I think this is correct. Of course it was fucking correct. Of course it was fucking correct. God damn it. God damn it. I am too smart for this. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Well, I don't know which one this is. We need to go in order. Okay, we add a list. Remove. Remove. We are almost done. Oh my god, I'm late for work. Holy shit. Holy shit. Boys, I gotta go. Hey, if you are here and you have a big bomba clot and or you like to program, I would sincerely appreciate it if you consider subscribing. I have to go to work right now. I'm literally late for work. Holy shit. Hey, I appreciate you boys for being here. I appreciate you boys for being here. Hold up. Let's go like this. Let's go like this. Holy shit, I'm so late for work. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm so late. Hey, if you boys enjoy this stream, if you got a little tickle of your pickle, you should definitely consider subscribing. Thank you so much for being here. Look at what you guys have done. Look what you guys have done. We went from this to fucking that. To fucking that. That's insane. I appreciate every single one of you boys. You have a swell fucking time. Let's go like this. Let's get schizophrenic. Let's get schizophrenic.
Passeggio tutta sola per le strade, guardando attentamente i monumenti, la classica straniera con un'aria strana che gira stanca tutta la città. A un certo punto della passeggiata mi chiama da una parte un ragazzino, sembrava a prima vista tanto per benino, si offre a far da guida per la città. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati di me. Pedro, praticamente il meglio di Santa Fe. Pedro, fidati.
And boys, remember. Sorry if I'm loud right now, but remember. Above all else, there's one thing you need to keep in mind. One thing. And that's to stay focused, my brothers. Stay focused. I love you all. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I'm late for work right now, so you should consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. Mwah. Mwah.